Hey everyone, ready to crack the code for business English? It's time to level up your English proficiency skills as we help you get ready to win. Welcome to HIP English. My name is Angela and it's another episode here at HIP English. This is brought to you by Hawkins International Partners, and our goal here for the video series is to help you get ready to win and conquer your TOEIC and TOEFL test. We're currently doing a series of videos regarding the TOEIC test. Today we are on our 5th video where we will be discussing the second part of the listening section. We will focus on the question and response portion of the listening test. We will give you some tips and best practices so you will be able to prepare better for the examination. Ready? Let's get to it. Before we begin, we're hoping that you've already seen the previous videos of the TOEIC listening and reading tests. I'd like to talk about very quickly about the TOEIC listening and reading test. The TOEIC is actually just an acronym. TOEIC stands for the Test of English for International Communication. TOEIC is an international standardized English proficiency exam. It's a business English test or a test on how well you're able to process and understand and use English in a typical workplace scenario. You can use the scores to complete requirements for your employment or university applications. Test score users usually use your score results for assessment, placement, and promotion. The TOEIC listening and reading test is divided into 2 sections. The first part is on the listening exam and the second part is the reading exam. The first part of the test is the listening section. For this section, all of the questions and answer choices will be played via an audio player. Take note that once the recording has started, test takers are not allowed to leave the room and latecomers will not be allowed to enter anymore. So if you're taking the test online, please make sure you come ahead of your schedule and you attend the orientation. The first part of the listening section has been discussed in our previous video, focusing on photographs or describing the picture. Today, we will focus on question and response. There will be recorded questions followed by 3 possible answers. You have to select the one that simply answers the question. Unlike photographs, where the pictures are found in the test booklet or found on your screen, both the questions and answer choices for question and response are provided via an audio recording. In the next part of the video, we will play sample questions and answer choices. Try to choose the right answer for each question.
What time is it now?
A. Tomorrow. B. It's 8 p.m. C. Thursday.
The correct answer is B. It's 8 p.m.
When is your birthday?
A. It's next week. B. It's 7 a.m. C. In the restaurant.
The correct answer is A. It's next week.
Where will the event be taking place?
A. Last month. B. At 10 a.m. C. In the nearby hotel.
The correct answer is C. In the nearby hotel.
Are the discounts still available?
A. No, the promotion ended last week. B. The manager is away. C. The store is closed.
The correct answer is A. No, the promotion ended last week.
How did the meeting go? A. I haven't done it yet. B. It went great. C. They'll finish it tomorrow.
The correct answer is B. It went great.
Can you come by tomorrow for the party?
A. Yes, I'll be there. B. The food isn't ready yet. C. I was busy yesterday.
The correct answer is A. Yes, I'll be there.
Did the stock market go up today?
A. The bank was closed. B. It went up by 5% today. C. They'll credit your account.
The correct answer is B. It went up by 5% today.
How long did you wait in line?
A. The store was closed. B. It was 5 meters long. C. Around 30 minutes.
The correct answer is C. Around 30 minutes.
Did you open your email inbox today?
A. It was closed today. B. Sorry, I haven't yet. C. The phone wasn't working.
The correct answer is B. Sorry, I haven't yet.
What is the weather like in your country?
A. Usually it's very hot and humid. B. It rained hard today. C. I enjoy cloudy days.
The correct answer is A. Usually it's very hot and humid.
Here are the answers. How many correct answers did you get? Best tip for this part of the test is to listen carefully and to focus on the audio recording. Once you hear the answer, shade it on your answer sheet so you don't forget. Question and response is exactly 30 items. Once all the questions and answer choices are played, you will move on to the next part of the test, which is on conversations. You may check out the previous video on photographs. The next video is on conversations. Check it out for an in-depth look and experience. Check out the links on the description. This ends our talk on question and response in the listening section of the TOEIC test. Before the video ends, let's recap a few important things that you need to remember. Number 1, come in 30 minutes before your test schedule so you have enough time to prepare. There are no breaks, so come early. Number 2, test proctors will be playing the audio recording to instruct you on how to fill out the answer sheet before the actual test starts. If you're taking the test online, you need to attend the orientation. Number 3, shade your answer legibly. You will be given enough time to choose your answer and shade the letter of your answer choice. Number 4, listen carefully as the questions and answer choices are short. You have to focus as you cannot go back to the previous questions or answer choices. Make sure to stay silent as well so other test takers will not be distracted. We hope you learned a lot from the video today. Now that you know more about photographs and on question and response, you're now ready to move forward to conversations, which will be featured in our next video. Thank you for joining us in our video today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, HIP English, to know more about TOEIC and TOEFL. Turn on the notifications button as well so you know when we've uploaded new videos in this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video. Like, subscribe, and share so you're ready to win.